Okay, I wanted to show y'all something really quickly on this little in the hoop fringe ghost ornament. I'm almost finished it. I just have to do the satin edging and the decorative edging on it. But in this case, the fringe comes pretty close to where the edging goes, and we like the ghost that size. And the first time I tested this, the foot, that little hook on the foot of the machine got caught in the fringe. So I took some inexpensive Scotch tape, and this worked beautifully. I shimmied it underneath the fringe and folded it over to tuck the fringe out of the way. So this is in the instructions. I'll show you, in a still photo how to do this, but I thought it would be easier to show you on a video too. So kind of shimmy that sticky side under, fold it over, and tuck those fringes out of the way. See how easy that is? And although it didn't catch at the top, I did it anyway, just to make sure. And if you think your tape's not going to stay down or hold in place, just stick a few more pieces on it to hold it out of the way. I did try it also with, the water-soluble topper over it, but the fringe is so long, it kind of stitched over a couple of the little loops on the edges, which I did not want. So I tried this way, and this actually worked pretty good. And since it's such inexpensive tape, it's not super sticky. It didn't bother the fringe at all when I pulled it off. In fact, this is the second time I've put it on this one. I did it once for the still photos, and now I'm doing it for the video, and it's just fine. It pulls off fine. This fringe is locked in there pretty good. I've brushed it with a toothbrush and done all kind of things to it. Okay, so now I'm ready to take it over to the machine and stitch the edging all the way around. Just wanted to show you this really quick. Have a great day.